Timber Trestle Tables are the perfect solution to use as a temporary table for events such as weddings, school events, crafts and antique fairs, home and garden parties, exhibition venues, market stalls, etc. Here at Express Crates we specialise in making timber trestle tables that have a strong, sturdy structure, withstand the toughest of treatments. These trestle tables can be flat packed and they are easy to assemble and disassemble. Using our unique clip system, no tools are required other than our easy clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Here we demonstrate how easy it is to assemble the table. We start by laying the tabletop flat on the ground. We then simply clip the legs to the top one by one until all the legs and the top are clipped together. When all the clips are firmly fastened, you can flip the table onto its legs and your trestle table is ready for action. The dimensions of this trestle table are 1800mm in length times 1100mm in width times 770mm high. We can customize the dimensions of the table and also engrave or stencil the brand name of your company to the trestle table. To do this, we recommend you call our friendly staff on 4010 798 395 to discuss your requirements. All of our trestle tables are made from recycled plywood in an effort to minimize waste and become eco-friendly. At Express Crates we have a wide range of trestle tables. To find out more, call now on 0410 798 395. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future promotions and discounts. Call us now on 0410 798 395.